guys, it's Jen with Caketastic Cakes again, and I have another Christmas snack project to show you. This one is going to be celery stick reindeer, and it's not hard to do, but it is a little bit messy. So yeah, I'm going to take celery sticks that you cut into equal sizes, fill them up with peanut butter, and I used a natural peanut butter which was really soft, so it didn't work very well. So what I had to do to make the pretzels stick was I used my icing again. I put the end of the pretzel, the broken pieces of pretzel, right onto the celery, made a big blob of icing on each one, and then put a mini chocolate chip again into the center of each celery stick's icing blob, and then a little red M&M at the bottom for a nose. So it's not hard. So once again, it's full of peanut butter. Put a blob of icing to anchor down the end of the broken pretzel stick. One on each side, and if you try to make them round and even, it looks a little better. And it's very soft. If you use regular peanut butter, I think you'll make out way better than me. Put a mini chocolate chip into each little icing blob, put your red nose at the bottom, and stick them in the fridge so they can set up nice and firm. And then you got it. You got some reindeer celery sticks, nice and easy. I'll have one more video to show you, so if you're enjoying them, please let me know, and if you make them, I'd love to see it. Thanks!